बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, आइए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं। गिवन क्या है कि ए क्यू बी माइनर आर्क है एक सर्कल की जिसका सेंटर है और रेडियस ओ भी गिवन है 17 सेंटीमीटर। ए आर बी, दिस इज द सेमी सर्कल विद डायमीटर ए बी एंड सेंटर पी, दिस इज द सेंटर पी। एंगल ओ पी बी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री, मीन्स दिस एंगल इज 90 डिग्री एंड पी ओ बी दिस एंगल इज 59 degree. Now we have to find the length AB. First of all, we should find the length of PB in triangle OPB. Sin 59 degree equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular is PB and hypotenuse is OB. This is equals to PB over OB, which is equals to 17 centimeter. PB equals to sin angle 59 into 17, answer is 14.57 centimeter. So PB equals to 14.57 centimeter and we have to find the length of AB. Length of AB means diameter, which is equals to 2 into this length, which is equals to 29.1 centimeter. This is our one answer. Now we have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. What is perimeter? It's basically the boundary. First of all, we should find the length of ARB and then we have to find the length of AQB. Adding these two, we should find the desired result. So first of all, we should find length of arc AQB. Its formula is angle AOB over 360 degree into 2 pi r. We know that this angle is 59 degrees, so this is also 59 degree. 59 plus 59, angle AOB equals to 118 degrees. So 118 over 360 into 2 into pi into r is 17. Calculating it, we have the answer 35.01 centimeter. Now we should find the length of ARB. As we know that this is the semicircle, means if this is the circle, then half of the circle is semicircle. So the perimeter of the circle means boundary of the circle. Its formula is 2 pi r, means this whole boundary is 2 pi r and half of this boundary is perimeter of semicircle, means half of this value 2 pi r. Cancelling 2 by 2, we have pi r. Putting the values here, pi and r. What is the value of r? 14.57 in case of ARB. This is basically the radius of ARB which is given. Calculating it, we have 45.77 centimeter. This is the length of ARB, 45.77. So adding these two, we have perimeter of shaded region 80.8 centimeter. For more informative videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.